Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft OneNote from running at startup. If you've noticed OneNote launching automatically every time you boot up your computer, this tutorial will help you disable that behavior and free up your system resources during startup. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft OneNote app. Go ahead and launch it from your desktop or Start menu and let your notebook load completely. This initial step ensures that OneNote is running in the background, which will help us identify it more easily in the next steps. Just give it a moment to fully load your notebook before moving forward. Once your notebook is loaded and you can see your notes on screen, we're ready to dive into the main process. The method for disabling Microsoft OneNote during startup is actually quite straightforward. You'll need to access your task manager. There are a couple of ways to do this, but the quickest method is to press C2AL plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut brings up a menu with several options. From that menu, click on Task Manager to open it. Now that Task Manager is open, you'll see several tabs at the top of the window. Look for the tab labeled Startup and click on it. This tab is specifically designed to show you all the programs and applications that are configured to launch automatically when your computer starts up. It's a powerful tool for managing what runs in the background and can significantly improve your boot time if you disable unnecessary programs. From the Startup tab, you'll see a list of applications with their names, publishers, and status columns. Scroll through this list carefully until you locate the entry called Send to OneNote tool. This is the component of Microsoft OneNote that triggers the automatic startup behavior. Once you've found it, right-click on Send to OneNote tool. A small context menu will appear with a few options. From that context menu, click on Disable. As soon as you do this, you'll notice the status column next to Send to OneNote tool changes to show that it's now disabled. This means that Microsoft OneNote will no longer launch automatically during your computer's startup process. The change takes effect immediately, so the next time you restart your computer, OneNote won't start running in the background unless you manually open it. And that's it. You've successfully stopped Microsoft OneNote from running at startup, giving you more control over which programs load when you boot up your system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.